Roanoke County is kicking off the Glenvar Center Plan, a new planning study that will focus on the area of Roanoke County bounded by the City of Salem, the Roanoke River, Fort Lewis Church Road, and Interstate 81. This planning study is intended to identify what needs exist for this area and what changes can be made over the next 10 to 15 years to promote economic development and improve the quality of life for its residents, businesses, and visitors. To kick off the study, we're hosting 2 open house-style community meetings for the public to review information on the current characteristics of the area, including land use and housing, community facilities, transportation, and natural and cultural resources. We will have opportunities for the public to provide feedback on these characteristics, including a survey so you can easily share your ideas. Both meetings will be held at Fort Lewis Elementary School from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. on Wednesday, April 30th and Wednesday, May 7th. The content of the meetings will be identical, so please pick the date that works best for you. If you're unable to make a meeting in person, the survey and exhibits will be available online from April 30th through the end of May. Whether you live, work, visit, or travel through the Glenvar Center area, we would love to hear from you. We'll see you there.